Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you most common problem, everyone facing this problem. So even me myself facing this problem. Once I buy this, so I want to fix but don't know how to fix, and then the water issue and then pump issue or how to flush problem. So everything I just think. So once I want to fix, so I want to make a video to share with my viewers. So that's why I make this video to helping everyone who facing this problem, the flush problem or pump problem. So you can see in this video properly how you can fix, or if you facing the leaking problem flush or your pump is not working, everything you can get in this video. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin our topic and then see how. Okay friends, so first of all we need to open this cover. Sometime if we buy you can see we cannot open it. So what we need to do, we just this one got a screw, so we just open like this, twist is same like a screw, then I open ready. Now we take out this cover. So you can see I can take out this one, flush buttons. You can see if we push, the flush can work. But here is different case. And then this one is the pump, and then if we pull out this one, you can see here, pull like that. If we pull, you can see the water all drain ready, and then the water want to come here. Once the water full, this pump will stop, automatically stop. So I will going to show you how to fix this pump, everything. Once you buy the new, you can see here got a screw. So this one fully set. I want to show you the proper way so you can know the best way how you can fix. You can see here, this one is the same like rope. So this thing, you can see here, this thing pull automatically. And then water, if we open this one, I just show you first. You can see here, this one is very simple. One seal, this one, and then this one the rubber seal. You can see here the water. If we open the water, if I open the water, you can see, I just open slowly. You can see the water is coming. So normally this pump is working with only this plastic washer. If this one push, once full, the slowly water come out. Once this one is the full pump working, the pump go up like this, the water will automatically start. So this pump will work like this automatically. So this one I show you this one only simple step is, you can see the seal, this one, and then put here. So once the water full, this thing will push to washer, and then washer will go down to close this water. So this one is the pump work, how it is working. So sometime you are facing the leaking problem, water always dripping. So you can check this seal properly, or you check this seal also properly to pushing this washer or no. So first thing I want to show you how we can fix. So you can see here, I close first the water. I close ready water now. Now we put the properly this rubber seal. You just put properly to close, and then so simply this one easily can work. You can see here now it's working, the pushing, the if you can see here the seal is touching or no. So we try first open water. After next step is we do the flush. You try first. If I pull up, you can see the water is stopping. So that is the working properly pump. So the next step is the flush. You can see the flush. So we need to tie this zigzag or rope. We put the here. You can see here now like this. So what is the difference? You can see here. If my camera can show you, once our flush, if I put here, I just show you properly, and then tie this one. So everything step by step we fix. Now you can see here, if we flush, so we try this one. If we flush, you can see the rope will come up and then pull this one up. So now you already know how it's working. So if we fix this one and then flush, you can see the rope will pull this thing up and then water will go inside. So one thing we try first before we close. So we just open the water, so everything is working properly before we close. So we open the water first. Now if my camera can show you, the water is coming. So we wait for the this one full until here, and then the pump will automatically close the water, and then after we close the cover and then try this button. Now you can feel the water going to be slow because the pump is going up. Okay friends, so now as you can see, our water is already stopped by pump. If we push down, you can see the water is full, tank is full. So our next step is the flush. What we need to do for this closing, we put this one button and then fix here, and then you can see this hole. You just try to tight. So you just fix this properly first and then twist as a same like a screw. Then push inside. Now if we try to flush, so our flush is working properly. Now you can see here our flush is working properly, and then water is already, you can listen the sound, water is running around inside the. So that is the main procedure, all simple easy steps that how you can fix like this flush problem or pump problem. You can do it by yourself. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.